Hey class, how's it going? Mr. Zandinella here, bringing you a quick little snippet and a quick look into our interdisciplinary project that's going to be beginning on Monday. As you guys know, our topic that we are going to be covering through our interdisciplinary project is, does your style need a makeover? And since we are the nutrition component of this project, we are going to be talking about diet. And so specifically, changing your style through diet with MyFitnessPal. So let's get going. All right, our objectives class is at the end of this lesson, I need you guys to have your MyFitnessPal account created, and we will use that to participate in class discussion on how to log our daily food intake starting Monday, okay? Then I have a brief KWL, so you guys can examine the three macronutrients that make up our diet, okay? This standard covers, really how you guys are going to be taking personal responsibility for your eating of healthy foods. All right, so here we go, creating our MyFitnessPal. The link below is going to take you right to that login page, ladies and gentlemen. So when you're ready, click on that link, but I'm going to walk you through on how to get yourself all started. All right, this link is going to take you right to the login page. So just click continue and get started. All right. Hey, it's going to ask you some real basic questions on what we're trying to accomplish with our overall diet. Okay. So are you looking to lose weight, maintain your weight, or gain weight? I'm going to click maintain. Again, it's going to ask you about your activity level, right? So be honest with yourselves and make sure you click the right descriptor for yourself. So I'm going to go with active. Yes, you guys, I'm old. I was born in 1984, but it's going to ask you for your birth date, your gender, and then it's going to ask you to go next. Last, it's going to ask you for your height and your weight, just a little bit of more some biometric information on yourself. And then lastly, it's going to ask you to put in your username and your password. I already have an account created, so once you're done, it's going to bring you into your home screen. As you can see, your home screen here kind of consists of what your basic caloric intake is going to be based off of those goals you set up, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just to give you a little quick look at the page there. When it comes to our food journal, this is the most important part. You click on food. As you can see, I started a journal log for the day for myself. For breakfast, I had 2 eggs, some coffee and cream, and some butter. For lunch, I started with a slice of turkey. To add food, you click on add food. We're going to put sliced bread because I had some sliced bread with my turkey. Pick one that looks closest to what you had, or utilizing the barcode on the back, scan it in. Um, all you got to do is click add to food diary. And then as you can see, my sliced bread has been added. All right. So this is one way we are going to be logging our food journals. It's quick, it's easy. And as you can see, it's going to keep track of everything for us. Okay. All right, next, it's on to our KWL. You guys all know how to do this. Click on the link below. It will open up our HyperDoc for us, right? But with that being said, we need to take a look at those macronutrients, okay? We got to see, what exactly they are. What do you know about these micronutrients? Can you speculate on whether you think you have a balanced diet? Do you think you may consume too much? Right, you guys know what to do. So finish the K and the W section, right? What you know, what you hope to know, and as a class, we will finish up the L. But really quick, please make sure you put your name and your date, and I expect, section 1 and section 2 of this HyperDoc to be completed before class. All right. And then again, here's a little bit more information for you guys regarding those main nutritional components to a healthy diet, okay? These links below will give you and take you to some websites as well as a video just giving you some further information. So again, please familiarize yourself with this before coming to class on Monday. So in summary, this is what we need done, everyone. All right, are you ready? This is important. One is we need to make sure our MyFitnessPal is created and accurately created to fit our personal profile and our personal attributes, okay? If you do not have this created for Monday, you will not be able to participate in class, all right? So this is extremely important. Next, we'll familiarize ourselves with the MyFitnessPal desktop site or app. You could use either or. It is up to you. If you have a phone, feel free and download the app, okay? And then lastly, you're going to be responsible for completing the K and the W portion of your KWL, all right? Alrighty, folks, that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.